All right, y'all. So right now I'm pretty much gonna give y'all a live breakdown, 8-angle breakdown. If you guys didn't know, man, I dropped the 8-angle breakdown video on YouTube years ago on my poppyblasted channel on YouTube years ago. Like it had to be like in probably like 2016. 8-angle breakdown. Google it. Go ahead and Google it. YouTube it. You'll see. But we in 2025. So I figure why not with the new people to go merch flawless V2 brush softy. I know y'all can get that from peopletogomerch.com. This is my go-to. Okay, I washed yesterday. I had no products in my hair at all. I did the wash. I did the washing style. I did the leave-in, the go drip leave-in washing style. Y'all know the new method? I did that, right? I started brushing the back of my head already, and I figured why not just do the 8-angle breakdown and explain it to you guys as I'm brushing, so you guys see my angles right now. 2025, all right? Tan. Anyways, okay, so we start from the back. When I start my 8-angle breakdown, I start from the back. The reason why it's called 8-angle breakdown is because you're hitting 8 angles around your head to achieve the 360 beehive, you know? So my first angle is right here. As you guys see, my crown is to the right. So low-key, I've been brushing like this way, trying to get so it's different. Like my back, I brush kind of different. It's an angle, but it's a different angle from my old 360s. So I'm trying to get them to flow with this side of my crown, which is on the right, to come down. So I'm brushing like this, as you can see, kind of at a slant a little bit in the back. That's why that's kind of like weird right there. I got forks and they look like the waves colliding and everything, because you know it's a different angle that I'm hitting. Really trying to find that correct angle, but that's the first angle I'm hitting right there. One, right? That's one. You do not want to overlap. You want to start from here. Wherever you finish off, you continue. So you right here now. This is number 2. Remember, I started from here. Now I'm coming right here. All right, this is number 2. Boom. Right? Number 2. Number 3 is right here. So you can brush it like this. This is number 3. You can brush it like this if you want. Or you can twist the brush like that and brush this way. Also, this is a good video too to show you guys not only the angles that I use. This is the 3rd angle, by the way. Remember 1, 2, 3. You can also see how the new V2 brush, flawless V2, how these bristles glide on your head like this. Pause. See that? Like it's pulled. Like this is soft brush and it got that much pull. You see how my waves is pulling? Great pull. Even with the softies is going to help with wave. It's going to help with wave widening your waves. Make your waves wider. Everybody want wider waves. They want bigger waves. Nobody want real small waves. You want the big healthy waves, right? So since it's pulling it, it's going to help with that to achieve the wide wave look. So that's 3, right? Boom. 4 coming right here. 4, you got the top right, right? It's 4. 3, 4. So 4, we got the top right. Right? Boom. 5, we come straight. This is the 5th angle right here. Straight in. 4, 5. 6, it's like how the top right is, where you hit the 4th angle. 5th is like that. 6 is like that. So it's like the opposite side of the right side. So remember this 4, this 5, this 6. Right? But you could brush 6, this angle right here like this. You could also turn right here, right? And you could brush that. Well, you can brush it with your left hand like this if that's what you would feel like. But I'm comfortable with just going with my right. So I brush it like this. I tend to come around too, like this way. And I hit it like this. This still 5 right here, right? 6. Remember, don't forget where you finish off from. So where the tip of the brush finish off of, that's where you start right there. So this 5th, this 6. Okay, 6. You can use the same hand. That's what I'm doing. As you can see, that's 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. And it's important to use a mirror because you want to be consistent and you want to be persistent. You want to brush with precision. So you want to always hit the same angles and the bristles hit the same part of your head every time. That's why it's important to use a mirror. Y'all going to school right now, man. Listen, I'm telling you, these type of videos I really preach on YouTube. I ain't making no money doing this right here. I'm just doing it, helping y'all out. You see what I'm saying? So, like I said, 5. Oh yeah. 5 was in the middle. No, 4 was right here. 5, this 6, right? Now we have 7. 7. So we're gonna start over real fast so that way we can make sure we're on track. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Remember 3. 4, 5, 6. Right? 6, 7, 6, 7. 8, which is the end, is the left back. Left back. Remember, number 1 is all the way back. So, yeah, that's the 8 angle breakdown. 8 angle breakdown. Hope you guys, hopefully this is helping you guys, because if y'all didn't know, it's angles, it's each angle, depending on the pattern you're hitting. This right here is a 360 wave brush, 8 angle breakdown. But if we got I should have did it with the 720s too. And obviously you want to, with your crown, you want to isolate that, which means you want to brush it separately from the 8 angle breakdown. You see what I'm saying? I don't really add my crown in the 8 angle breakdown. I just do it separately. The crown gets its own brush session pretty much. So that's it. I'm not even trying to talk down on nobody, but a lot of people who done that, they learned it from me. I'm the first one who created that on YouTube years ago. The 8 angle breakdown, 8 angle breakdown. Poppyblasted, 8 angle breakdown. I didn't saw people do the videos on YouTube. I didn't saw them do it on your Instagram, all that. Give credit. You got it from me. But with that being said, man, I hope this helped you guys out. That's what I'm here for, man. Shit. You want to get this brush? You get it from peopletogomerch.com. You already know, the best brush in the world. All of them, man. I got hard, medium, soft, everything. All your wave care, peopletogomerch.com. You see the link right there. You see the website right there. Click it. Actually, you can't click that. Just go to the website. Go to my link in the profile. The link is in the profile bio. Click it. Go to it. Go shop. We always have sales too. It might be a little pricey, I know, but we have sales all the time. Sign up for text alerts. That way, when I have a sale, you will get the text alert. I'll send it out. You get the text alert, and you'll know. Oh, PP having a sale. My sales be big. Wait on the sale if it's too much for you.